Good morning. Happy Monday, dear friends. I am CA Joyshish Mehta, Director of Sayog Tax and Finance Advisory Limited, founded and spearheaded by our Chairman and Managing Director, Advocate Ashish Bahiti, who is a LLB in Taxation and a MBA Finance. And on behalf of the company, today I would like to discuss the ITR filing of senior and super senior citizens who are important in our lives personally as well as financially, and we need their blessings at every stage of life. Now, for the assessment year 2021 2022, that is financial year 2021, every individual above the exempted limit is required to pay tax. However, senior citizens are granted a higher exemption limit. For a resident senior citizen 3 lakhs, super senior citizen 5 lakhs, and non senior citizens 2.5 lakhs. So these are the exemptions limit granted to a senior and super senior citizen for the financial year 2021. A senior citizen must be of the age of 60 years or above but less than 80 years. To qualify as a super senior citizen, the person must be of the age of 80 years or above at any time during the year. The tax benefits offered to senior, super senior citizens are available only to resident citizens, that is, resident of the country of India. The benefits are available to them. What are the tax benefit? Online ITR filing not mandatory because the older generation is not that tech savvy. So paper filing of ITR is allowed. Those citizens, senior citizen filing ITR 1 or 4 can do so physically or paper filing. Advance tax. As per section 208, advance tax is required to be paid if liability is 10,000 or more. Section 207 gives relief to resident senior citizen on account of paying advance tax. You have got a standard deduction from pension allowed to the extent of 50,000 for senior citizen. There is no tax under reverse mortgage. What is a reverse mortgage is discussed in the next slide. The ownership of the property remains with the senior citizen and they are given monthly payment. This is not taxable in the hands of senior citizen. A small discussion on reverse mortgage. It is a loan which provides additional source of income for senior citizen who have a self-acquired or self-occupied home in India. It is available to anybody over the age of 60. The borrower must have a fully owned house. The property must have been in existence for at least 20 years. Commercial properties or let out for commercial properties are not eligible for a reverse mortgage. So keep this in mind. This is a small discussion on reverse mortgage. The income the borrower receives from the bank will be tax free. In the event the house is renewed or repaired with this money, the amount spent on repair will be eligible for deduction in computation of income. And the repayment of the loan will not be considered deductible. The borrower does not have to pay back the amount. The legal heir has to, or the bank will take over of the property if there is no legal heir and the life of the senior citizen ends during the tenure of this reverse mortgage loan. Another benefit, interest income. Section 80 TTB. Senior citizens are not liable to pay tax for interest income of up to rupees 50,000. In order to provide relief to senior citizen of 75 years or more with just interest or pension income, has inserted new 194P of the Finance Act 2021 has inserted new section 194P. So it is discussed in the next slide. This provision requires a banking company to deduct tax under this provision if the deductee or the senior citizen is maintaining an account with it. This will be sufficient record of filing the return for those senior citizens who are more than 75 years of age. Every declaration has to be made to the bank while filing TDS return by the bank. Medical insurance premium of 50,000 also is allowed as a deduction under section 80D of the Income Tax Act. If the senior citizen is paying a medical insurance premium for their parents who are also senior citizen, they can claim additional deduction up to rupees 50,000. Meaning for medical insurance, total 1 lakh deduction can be claimed by our senior citizen. Medical treatment cost of up to 1 lakh for specified diseases also can be claimed as a tax deduction. Keep this in mind. It is a very important point. So we are honoring our senior citizens through these modes which are launched by our Finance Minister via Budget of Finance Act 2021. Contact us at Sahyog for any services, mail us for any queries. We will be happy to help and we will surely respond and try to solve and resolve all your queries. The list of activities which we do is given in this box from A to K. Our contact details, phone numbers, website ID and mail IDs are also given. So do try and get in touch with us. We will be very happy to help.